there's a box when we're born that everyone expects us to fit inside. And they call it reality. And everybody that sees this box understands that they fit inside somehow. But the truth is, there are those of us that are born that don't fit inside the box. I am one of those people that don't fit inside the box, but am I still real? When I started to think about it as a child, I saw that, there were people that seemed very natural. You could count on them for anything. They're always exactly what you expected them to be. But the truth is, I'm not one of them. I'm not natural. Does that make me unnatural? I don't fit inside this box that they keep telling me about. I just don't fit. I just don't fit. I don't understand. Why am I considered unnatural? As I got older, I started to understand that there were more people. And I just didn't see them yet. These people who were worthless. They were invisible. You couldn't see them unless you could see the other people. And when the other people were gone, they didn't exist at all. But even though these natural people were there, this worthlessness, this nothingness, it was also there. It was part of the whole picture inside this box. They had a place in this box. Even if they were a whole lot of nothing, they were still something in this box. But I'm not nothing. I am still something. When all of these other people disappear, natural or whole, I am still not whole and I am still not natural. But where do I fit in this so-called box that is real? As I got older, I started to understand that there were even more kinds of people, and I thought that I might be one of them. And not everybody was so happy. In fact, there were people who were incredibly unhappy. Even the opposite of those natural people that I first met when I was young, and I understood that there were opposites, a balance between the nothing and the something. But the truth is, I don't know if I'm natural or whole or even the opposite of natural. I still don't see where I fit in this box. I'm not one of these people. Where do I fit? I don't know. And every time I look at somebody and I see these natural, these whole, and their opposites, I don't understand how these people and these people can still exist, and I'm still not here. Where do I fit? Even if I'm not nothing, and I'm something, where do I fit? I don't fit in this box. I must not be real. And as I got older, I came to understand that there were even more people who I could possibly be. And they weren't quite natural or whole. They were broken, half even of a person. And there were even people who were those opposites, but they weren't even half. And they were the kind of people that just keep on repeating and repeating and repeating forever and ever and ever. And they sing the same song every single day and never change. And they fit into this box. But I am not someone that continues to repeat themselves or stop at a specific moment in time. I don't know how to stop. I don't know how to be natural. I don't know how to be whole. I don't know how to be an opposite. And everyone seems to understand each other in this space because all of them fit inside this box. And I'm told constantly that it's time to start thinking rationally. That all of these people inside this box are rational. So what am I if I don't fit in this box? Am I rational? Or am I irrational? Am I not? And as I got older, I became to understand that I am not natural, I am not whole, I am not the opposite. I am not rational. I am irrational. At least that's what they tell me, because I must not be one of them. I'm not part of them. I'm not one of them. What am I? And I started to understand finally that I fit just outside this box, and that there is another world beyond the box. And it doesn't fit in a rigid space. It is circular. And it is curved, and it doesn't have a fixed point where it begins or ends. It goes on and on and on and on, and sometimes it repeats and sometimes it doesn't, and sometimes it repeats and sometimes it doesn't, and then it continues. Just like my brain, I must be this irrational type of person because I don't know how to fit inside the box, but I am real, and everything in this box and everything inside this circle is real. And when we get older, and I started to notice that there were people who wanted to start getting outside of this box. They continued to talk about thinking of outside this box, but I never even had the box. And I've only thought outside this box my entire life. And I realized that my reality is beyond the reality of those that fit inside this box, but it is still real. And even though I look at this reality and people start to say, look outside the box, I'm realizing they're looking to me. And they say, hi, what do you think we should do? And I realize I'm the closest one to be having an imagination. And I'm the closest one to be at the space to bring the imagination into reality, and I can bring it down. I can curve myself tighter so that I can become rational when I am rounded to a rational person, and when I am rounded to a whole person, and when I am rounded to a natural person, or even rounded to their opposites, I can be rounded and still be myself, real, irrational. My name is Pi, and I am real and irrational.